Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enlarge the mouse pointer. To start, click on the Start menu, select Settings. After that, go to Accessibility. Now click on the mouse pointer and touch. After this, to increase the size of the cursor, use the slider bar in the Size section. You will see the change in real time. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.